This is about history of deep learning. It was in 1943, the McCullough, who is a neuroscientist, and Bitz, he is a logician, who invented the MP model. It is based on the threshold logic. So here it has two parts, one for aggregating the input and other for making decision using threshold logic. The limitation with McCulloch's model is it only accept the Boolean input and it need a hand-coded threshold. If all the inputs are equal, we cannot able to assign the important to the sum input. It only applicable for linearly separable data. So to rectify the drawback of MP model, so in 1957, Mr. Rosenbelt, who invented the perceptron. Okay, the perceptron explain about it rectify the drawback of McCulloch's model, and it instead of threshold logic, it introduced a activation function, and also to give a priority to the input, it assigned weight to the input. In 1960, Mr. Widra and Hoff designed the Adeline network. This is adaptive linear network. In 1969, Minsky and Papert explained about the XR problem in the book. It's a Frank is a actually the Minsky and Frank is a American psychologist. Their book entitled The Introduction to Computational Geometry, and they shows that the perceptron cannot solve the XR problem. In 1982, the person Webos explained about the back propagation concept. And in 1986, the Roomhalt and Gitten Williams explained about convolutional neural network. In 1997, LSTM, it means that long short-term memory network. It is used to classify sequential data, and some of the application of LSTMs are sentimental analysis, language modeling, speech recognition, and video analysis. In 1995, Cortes and Wapnick explained about a support vector machine. SVM is a supervised learning algorithm. It is used for both classification and regression. Uh, During 2006, Salaku did now and Hinton, the other person are introduce a GPU era. They have discussed about deep nets and LX nets.